catching spikes is not very easy. Like some content providers will tell you, you just need to set your indicators and start catching spikes. It's more, there's so much you need to understand. There's so many things you need to do, to need to put in place before you catching spikes. You don't just catch spikes because you have your indicators. So what I'm doing today is to show you guys the secret, that top secret, that top secret. So kindly share this video link with friends, subscribe, like, and comment. And please don't forget to join our free Telegram channel because we've been sending signals there. Let me show you. We've been sending free signals up there. Yeah, this is my free Telegram channel, signal channel. You can see here. Okay, you see, buy VIX, buy VIX 25 on S. Sorry, buy VIX 25. We were running good profits. Yeah. So if I go further again, you see the signals we've been dropping and we've been in good profit for days now. Do you understand? So I'll advise you guys to join my, okay, buy VIX 10 here. We were running good profits. I advise you guys to buy, oh, sorry. I'll advise you guys to join my free Telegram channel for updates and free signals. Okay. So we have, as you can see here, we have VIP signal channel. We have the Major Academy. We have the Major Academy. You can see how busy it is. We drop links. We drop videos. We drop so many things. So the meeting we had some days ago. Okay. So it's very, very important. It's very necessary you join and learn how to make profits. Okay. So back to this video, I want to show you guys how I make money, how I catch spikes like pro. So trust me, after watching this very video here, you'll be catching spikes like pro. You don't have to disturb yourself or try and struggle more to catch spikes. With this simple trick, you're gonna be catching spikes every day and closing with good profits every day, right? Very simple. I will not prolong the video. I'll just show you guys the simple steps on how to catch spikes as pro. Okay. Then I'll also show you guys the settings. So you need to watch this video to the very end. To the very end. Okay. So now when you open your charts like this, if you want to catch spikes, what you need to do first is going to daily time frame. Sorry, moving to 1 hour time frame or 30 minutes time frame. So this is 1 hour time frame. You can see here on your charts there are some levels, there are some places where it seems price has been respecting, like whenever price gets to that level, it reverses or it spikes. Places like this, you see price reversing, the spike gets to level like this, reverses, or it will spike. Do you understand? It spikes at those levels, like here. You can see this level here, spiked there, here, same thing here. Do you understand? So those are the zones on the chart. Whenever price get to that area, to that zone, it will react and there will be a spike. Okay, so now the secrets here is for you to know how to identify those zones on your chart, those levels on your chart. Because whenever price gets to that level, it's likely if you can identify those levels properly, trust me, if you want to catch, if try 10 spikes, you will catch at least 8 spikes because successfully, because those levels are strong enough and spike must happen around that level. Do you understand? So now you need to also know how to identify support and resistance on your chart, how to place support and resistance level, to know where are your support and resistance level on your chart. So now this is what I'm going to show you guys. I don't want this video to be very long. Okay, so when you bring your horizontal line like this, you look for a strong zone. You see, like this place here. I'm not talking about the wick. You might consider the wick sometimes, but I'm talking about the body of the candle, depending, okay? When you have the obvious touch. So you can see here we have touch here, see price reversing at this level here. And if you move back again, you can see it has been reversing around this level. If you go back, you see what happened here. So price has been reversing around this level from up and down, from up and down. Same thing here. Do you understand? That makes that level a very strong level. Then after that level, there is this other level here. Do you understand? So now what are we doing now? This is our first level. As price is going up, sorry, let's move to, okay, now see when price was pushing up to this level here, this was our first, this is the zone I just identified on the 1 hour time frame. You wait for price to get to this level here. Okay, you wait for price to get to this level here. Okay, then you make sure that you have your indicator in place. You must have your indicators in place, all your indicators on the charts or on your chart window, one or two, whatever. You must have those indicators in place. Do you understand? Before you start making this decision. Then after placing these zones like this, these levels on the charts, you must wait for price to get to that level. Okay. Then you also use your indicator. You also use your indicator to confirm. When it gets to indicator aspects of how to apply your indicator, I'll show you what to do. Now, also use your indicator to come to come to yeah to confirm your entry. If price has gotten to the oversold or overbought area, okay, for crash, the overbought area. One price gotten to, if price has gotten to overbought area, um on your indicator, like under the indicator window one, and it tells you price has gotten to its overbought area. What you need to do is confirming if the price has touched the line, this level here you identified. Do you understand? Then if it has touched that level, what you need to do now, if you want to you want to risk $2, sorry, two lot size for this very trade. Okay, what you need to do first is for you to open one lot size. Okay, you open one lot size first. Then, in case it passes this level here without spiking, when it gets to maybe a level like this, you might open another one lot size, or when it gets to this level, you open another one lot size. Do you understand? So, right here, you open one lot size and you see the spike happens. You see what happened there? Very massive spike. Let's check on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, see, price has been pushing for a long time. So immediately price touched that zone, there was a spike. Do you understand? And you must make sure that you use your, uh, for example, let me say if I'm using this RSI, but this is not the strategy I'm using. I'm gonna show you guys. I'll show you a different strategy. If I'm using this RSI here, you can see my RSI has gotten to overbought area, which that's a good confirmation that price has gotten to the overbought area, and it has touched my level on my main chart. So what I need to do now is to open a position, sell position at this level, expecting price, expecting a long deep spike from that level. Do you understand? So it's very simple. Or B1000, B500, crash 500, crash 1000. You need to do the same thing. Even the crash 300 and B300. Okay, you need to do the same thing. That's how to catch spikes. You don't just catch spikes because you have indicators. You catch spikes because you know what you're doing. You apply a bit of price action. You know your levels on the charts, that whenever price gets to that level, it will spike. That's how you catch spikes and make your profits. Something like this, if price move to this level here, level like this, see this level I just placed here, and you confirm on your that your indicator has gotten to the overbought area, the empty, sorry, yeah, the overbought area. What you need to do for it to sell at this level here, do you understand? To start dropping and dropping and dropping and give you so much profit. Try this, guys. It works perfectly. Then, I can't complete this video right now. Like I said, I don't want this video to be very long. Okay, so the next video will be the the video. I will add the indicators. Okay, show you the indicators, how to combine the indicator with this strategy and make a profit. Do you understand? So that's the secret. That's the secret. That's simple. Okay, that's simple. If you do that, maybe open 10 trades in a day, trust me, at least you win 7 to 8. And when you're opening, you must be sure, okay, this very position I'm opening, this very trade I'm taking right now, this is the amount I'm risking for this trade. You must know the amount you're risking. You should not go above, or yeah, you shouldn't go above that amount if it's going against you. Okay, you must have targets, daily targets, and you must have the amount you're willing to risk, the amount you're willing to give out to the market. Do you understand? So that's simple. That's simple. Very simple. Then sometimes try and take profit. Whenever price market gives you profit, try and take profits and walk away, please. It's very important. Take your profits and walk away. And if you want to, or if price gets to a strong level like this, you can see this level is very strong. It might spike 2, 3 more times. Do you understand? You can take your profits and walk away. So on the next video, I will share the setup, okay, the indicator setup. So please join my signal channel, free signal channel. And if you have up to 500, $1,000 or above for account management, I can do that for you. We manage your account and we treat your account like ours. Do you understand? Then mentorship, yeah, mentorship is very important. Mentorship, you need to learn, you need to know what is really happening in the market. Don't just come in and start making use of indicators and be blowing your accounts every day. If you want to stay consistent, you want to make consistent profits, not making profits today, tomorrow you lose. You need to learn price action. You must not learn this price action from me. You can learn it from anybody at all, but trust me, you need to have an idea. Any business you're going to without having an idea of that business, knowing how the business works, you're about to lose so much money. Do you understand? You're about to lose so much money. So please join our free Telegram channel. Check the description area to join to see the link. Okay, we offer mentorship program, VIP signal, and account management. And please, there is no investment. Anybody that tells you that they are into investment, don't give anybody your money. Send money to anybody to trade for you and give you profits. Do you understand? It does not work. They are all fake. They are all scammers. Okay. So mentorship, account management, and signal. Hit me up, guys. I love you.